Revolutionizing Vision Restoration: How AI and Robotic Sensors Unlock New Horizons in Accessibility. Welcome to the forefront of a revolution in vision restoration. Today, we dive into how artificial intelligence is not just changing lives, but fundamentally transforming the way visually impaired individuals interact with the world. Imagine a world where the barriers to accessing written information for the visually impaired are dismantled. This is no longer a dream, thanks to groundbreaking research in artificial intelligence. Researchers have developed an innovative robotic sensor that is redefining the boundaries of possibility. This sensor does something extraordinary. It reads braille, the tactile writing system used by people who are visually impaired. But it doesn't just read braille. It reads it at speeds twice as fast as the average human reader. This leap in efficiency is not just impressive, it's life-changing. Consider the impact on education and employment. Accessibility to written materials, often a hurdle for visually impaired individuals, could cease to be a barrier. The potential for independence and self-reliance grows exponentially. This robotic sensor is powered by sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithms. These algorithms enable it to understand and interpret braille with remarkable accuracy and speed. The technology is a result of years of dedicated research and collaboration between computer scientists, engineers, and experts in vision impairment. Their goal was clear: to use AI to make the world more accessible. But how does the sensor work? At its core, it uses tiny, precise movements to detect the raised dots that make up braille characters. It then translates these physical patterns into digital text. The implications of this technology extend beyond reading books or documents. It could revolutionize the way visually impaired individuals interact with everything from ATMs to public transport systems. Imagine navigating city streets, accessing services, and performing daily tasks with ease. For the visually impaired, this technology could offer a new degree of freedom and autonomy. Critically, this development underscores the broader potential of artificial intelligence in addressing complex human challenges. It's a testament to how AI can serve humanity, enhancing quality of life for all. As we look to the future, the possibilities are boundless. This breakthrough in vision restoration is just the beginning. The journey towards creating a more inclusive world continues. Together, we stand on the brink of a new era. An era where technology like this robotic sensor not only restores vision but opens new doors to the world. A world where everyone has the opportunity to fully participate, regardless of physical limitations. Join us in celebrating this monumental achievement in vision restoration. Through artificial intelligence, we are not just seeing the world differently, we are making it a place where everyone has the chance to see and experience life in its full splendor.